All right, so next up, this is actually another one we die cut. So I wanted to share with you, this card is how this is. And what I did was I used this die and I die cut that out. Yours is already die cut. So now you have two pieces. Well, you're gonna layer things. And since you're layering things, it doesn't matter that there's a big old hole in there. So when you come into your pack here, you're gonna have your layers, which you can go ahead and glue together and layer. There, okay. And then this goes on at an angle with dimensionals, of course. Did you expect anything different? Come on. So you're just gonna pop that on there, and then we're gonna start making our layers. So this didn't really need a layer, so this is just going straight on to the card. And so we're just gonna put glue around the edges. So you don't have any messy glue to get on your fingers in the middle. We're just gonna, oh shoot, don't do that, Elizabeth. Forgot. Who's watching me tonight? We forgot. We need to put some glue on here. We need to put some ribbon on here before we layer that. This is why I have to have my sample to look at to remind me. Even if my sample's not right, I still have to have it next to me. Okay, so we're gonna put that around. Put that over here. We're gonna cut off a little piece of that ribbon back out of the way. Get myself another little glue dot. I'm being cautious with that paper because it has glue all over it. I'm probably going to have to put more glue on it because it dried. But let's go ahead and get that on there. And then let's get a little more around of glue. This stuff does dry pretty quickly. So, all right. We are back under control. Crisis averted. And we are going to get that on there. All right. So I got my piece on there. Then I'm going to layer this on here, and I just want to cover up that hole. So I am going to put my little dimensionals kind of pretty close to the edge because I'm hoping it sticks on both places. And then because I have that ribbon going down the middle, I'm not putting one right in the middle because it'll get a little wonky, so I'm going to put those instead. Go through a lot of dimensionals. I do love me some dimensionals. Buy them in bulk. All right, so we've got that on there. And then next we need to make our little medallion, which, where are my medallion pieces? I saw them when I opened my package, so they are here. They're just lost. I'm a hot mess express here today. I have extras. Good thing I have extras cut to the side. I'll find them later. Aha, there they are. Okay, so to do this, we are going to use a Good Times label. There's the Good Times label, just like we did the other one. And we're gonna pop that on there. And then you have this little goodie here, which is gonna make your banner flag. You're just gonna cut that in half. And I'm gonna glue dot these, because that'll just make them easier to put on. And make my little flags. I can't pick it up. Okay, so I'm gonna have one going this way, and then make the other one cattywampus. Also, when you're looking at your die cut items, they do have a front and the back, and you can usually tell, like the back, see, it looks a little perforated, doesn't look as clean. The front looks really super clean, okay? So I've done that. Originally I did the bow over there. I think for this one, I'm gonna do my bow on the other side, and I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna use all 3 colors. Who am I? So I'm just taking all 3 of them. See my ribbon mess go in there? And I'm gonna put this right underneath here, and I'm just gonna tie them one at a time. So I have 3 different little flags coming off. 1, 2, and last 3. Got a whole ribbon, roll of ribbon. Use what you want. Make it easier for yourself. I don't want you guys feeling like you have to conserve your ribbon. Use it away. Okay. So we're gonna use those, put those out of the way, all that out of the way. And then last but not least, we're gonna put our little certificate medal there. It's like, remember when you were a kid and you got participation certificates before everybody got trophies? We got certificates. They always had this little gold seal on them. So there you go. Happy birthday, good times. Don't forget, let's get some bling going here. On a beach. Always work in odd numbers. You can add more if you want. You have plenty, but there you go. I still don't know what happened to that other little medallion, but that's all right. We're set. There's your final card.